All right, everyone, these are the carrot muffins that I bought the ingredients for in my haul video. A few of you asked about them, so I thought I would show you. I'll show you the recipe as well. First, I actually got it offline, and here is the recipe. If you would like to make them, you can just pause this video and then you'll be able to get that. But basically, I just have some of my mini carrots. This is the second time we've made these. I do add just a little bit of my the bakeable stevia just because the mix just didn't seem quite as sweet, but I am using unsweetened applesauce for that. I just have the cinnamon. I do have half of a banana left from some cereal from yesterday, so I'm actually gonna put that in mine. 2 eggs. I use the orange flavored cranberries from Trader Joe's, although the recipe calls for raisins. We love the cranberries. And then I ran in Trader Joe's yesterday and picked up some applesauce and some maple syrup. Now it also calls for whole wheat flour. And I do not have whole wheat flour, but I am using my, it's a cup of my gluten-free flour, and then my oats, and then there's my vanilla, my baking powder, and baking soda, and then I have my muffin cups all ready. So let's make some of the low sugar, low carb carrot cranberry muffins. Muffins are in the oven, and we're going to clean up our mess, and then I will show you what they look like when they are done. All right, everyone, they are done. They smell really good. I hope they taste just as good as yesterday's. I didn't add the extra sweetener because I did use the maple syrup, and it did seem a lot sweeter than when I had to use honey yesterday. So anyway, these are really good. The kids even loved them. Everybody likes them. So there you go. A little bit of a healthier option. Thanks for watching.